show you how to make a scatter plot using Excel. Here our output, our value is credit ratings and balance data. Then I have to go insert tab. It's indicate the scatter plot. Before clicking scatter plot, I have to select our data. So I select anyone, then command A or control A. Then I have to select scatter plot options, scatter. Okay, it's indicate the scatter plot. So I have to rename the title scatter plot based on credit ratings and balance. Okay, so I have to change the quick layout because here I want a line and a function. So it's work like that. Sorry, control Z. So it's working. Okay, line chart. So I want to change the line color format. What would be the color? Maybe I want black. Okay, it's already found out the R square value, y value, what would be. Okay, we can estimate the future value, or we can estimate any value like that. If I put any x value, then it will find out the balance. I mean, if anyone or any value, if I using here like that, if I use from equation like that, y value, what would be y value? If x value is 400, y would be, we can use this function, this formula. What would be? Okay, so 2.566 2 into 400. The should be bracket, under the bracket, then minus 390, sorry, minus 390.85. okay, so it's calculating 635.63. so if the value is 40, it means credit ratings value is 400, then y value, it means balance would be 635.63. okay, it's easy. R square indicate that how much variation in dependent variable based on independent variable. Here our dependent variable is balance and independent variable is in credit ratings. That's it. Thank you everyone.